First order differential equation. Here is a given problem. Find the general solution. Okay, so let's rewrite the equation. We have the y, the x equals to open bracket y plus 2, open bracket x plus 1. So what I will do is that you notice that in this side we have y, in this side we have x, right? Okay, let's take it one after the other. Let's let's cross multiply. So let's take this to be over 1. You understand? So it will be dy times 1. It will give me what? Dy equals to, now I will now multiply this dx with this. I will now have what? Y plus 2 to bracket x plus 1. Since I'm multiplying with dx. Now, I'll bring this one that has y to where there's dy here. And this one that has x to where there's dx here. It will remain with this. So if I'm to bring this to the other side, that shows I will divide both sides by what? Y plus 2, y plus 2. So this we cancel this, right? Okay. So at the right hand side, I have the y over y plus 2. At the left here, I have what? X plus 1 plus the brackets dx, right? Okay. Now I've brought y to where there's the y here and x to where there's the x here. So I can further rewrite this as 1 over y plus 2 dy. You know, if I still say dy times 1 will still give me dy, which is exactly the same thing as this. So at the right here, I have what? I can use this dx to multiply it, or let me leave it for now. Let me write x plus 1 everything bracket dx. Now, what we do is that you take the integral of both sides. Take the integral of both sides. Take the integral of both sides. So here we have. Now, if you look at this, whenever I integrate this 1 over into bracket y plus 2, it will give me ln y plus 2. Why? In integration, you can watch my video on integration using substitution method. Whenever you are using substitution method, if you notice that if your denominator, if you differentiate your denominator, it will give you the same value as numerator. Then you take the ln of the denominator. For example, if you differentiate this denominator, you know, this will change to 0, right? And if you differentiate y, it will be 1, right? If you differentiate this y, it will be 1. It's just like, you know, in denominator, in normal differentiation, if you are differentiating x raised to the power of 1, you just use the power to multiply it, which is 1 times. You now subtract 1 from it. This will become 0. X raised to the power of 0 will become what? 1. So which you multiply to give you 1. So likewise, y here is the same thing as like y raised to the power of 1. Whenever you differentiate this y, it will give me 1. So, and this will give me 0. So it will still give me 1, everything here. So this, if you differentiate the denominator here, which will be 1, it will give exactly the same value as numerator. Therefore, for you to integrate this, just take the ln of the denominator here. You can watch my video on general method on integration using substitution method for you to have a better understanding. Okay, so it will give me ln open bracket y plus 2 close the bracket. So that is for this side. What about this side? Let's integrate this side. For me to integrate this side, let me use this dx to open the bracket. We have integral x dx plus, because this x multiplied by this dx, it will give me x dx plus integral 1 times dx. It will give me what? 1 dx. And 1 dx is the same thing as what? Dx. So this will give me dx. Here I have ln y plus 2 equals to. Now, if I'm integrating this using general method, you know, integration is just like opposite of differentiation. So if I have x like this, if I'm integrating this x with respect to the x, so what will happen here is that I'm integrating this. So what is the power of this? It is 1, right? You will add 1 to the power. You know, in differentiation, you subtract. While in integration, you do what? You add 1. So it will be x raised to the power what? You know, the initial power of x is 1, right? So you add 1 to it. You don't divide both sides by everything here. Everything here. And everything here is equal to what? 1 plus 1. So which will give me x raised to the power of what? 2 over what? Over 2. Over 2. So that is the integration of this. So this will be x squared over 2 plus. Now, whenever I'm integrating dx, since it is only dx, it will give me what? X. It will give me, that is normal standard. If you are integrating the y, just ordinary the y, it will give me what? Y. If I'm integrating the z, it will give me what? Z. So if I'm integrating the x, it will give me what? X. And mind you, whenever you integrate, include your what? Your constant, which is what? C. Yeah, this is our correct answer to the solution, to the problem in question number 1. Stay tuned for more tutorial videos. Consider to share, like, comment. Thank you.